This is our Bridgeport Series 2 4-horsepower mill. It's got box ways on the knee. It's got an 11 by 58 inch table. As I said, it's 4 horsepower. It's got quick switch tooling and with a large assortment of it. It's got power cross. It's got power longitudinal feed. It's got rapid elevation of the knee. It's got a high and a low in the head. Also has quill feed. I'm going to run it for you now. First thing we'll do is bring it on. Spindle. Power down feed of the quill. You can see the handle coming down. Changing direction. Brake. Last thing. This is our 4 horsepower Bridgeport. All functions working as they should. It's okay looking, but if you look close at the ways, they're in good shape. A couple hits on the table, but nothing bad. All in all, it's a good running machine. This is our 4 horsepower Bridgeport mill. Thank you for watching.